Alright, today we're going to install this handheld grayscale scanner by U.S Logic. First of all, I have to install a ISA card that comes with it, or an ISA expansion card. And the minimum requirements were 386 or 486 and Pentium computers, Windows 3.1 or Windows 95, and 4 megabytes of RAM. So we'll put that card in first and then move on from there. I've gone ahead and installed the scanner interface card into this free ISA slot in a computer that I have. It's probably one of the last motherboards that had an ISA slot in it actually, which is or ISA slot. And the network interface card is connected to it here. Now this is not just a regular serial port, okay? Otherwise I could have used these down here, but this is a special interface card for the scanner, and part of the scanner's hardware is actually in this card. I need to change the memory addressing. I need to set the IRQ for 10 to Legacy ISA, or ISA, however you want to say it, and DMA 3 needs to be set to it as well. We are running Windows 98 on this machine. Now I do have to calibrate this device with this software here that came with the scanner. And as you can see, we've got the DMA3 and the IRQ10 that we set earlier. They are the defaults for it. And then we simply need to hold the scanner and line it up with these dots on here, on this card that comes with it, the calibration card. And click once and then pull down. And as we're pulling down, the calibration is doing its thing, and it's done. And we would restart Windows. iPhoto Plus, which is quite an old piece of software, and we're just going to go File, Acquire, and we're going to press Scan. And now I'm just going to do this book here, this car book of mine, the Car Bible. I'm just going to push the button once and pull down. And as you can see, the image is appearing there. I've set it to 100 dpi. That should capture a fair bit of it. We're done, just click off. And you push stop. And then exit. And then transfer the image to iPhoto Plus. And it's done. And you can do another image or whatever you want to do. So there it is. I mean, not a lot of people are doing it for doing images. When back in the day with these, mainly people were doing text and doing optical text recognition even back then. But it can do photos, and it doesn't do a bad job, but it is what it is for back in the day. It was a hand scanner, so it was small, convenient. Did have to have an ISA card installed, which I guess is going to people are going to find a lot of these maybe on eBay or, you know, garage sales and stuff, and you're not going to be able to use them because most people will probably left the ISA card or ISA card in the machine, and it's the machine's long gone. So yeah,